Hi and welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2006 Ford Escape, and as you can see, one of the light bulbs is burnt at my driver's side headlight. It's a low beam light bulb, so in this video I will show you how to replace either the low beam or high beam light bulb. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so to replace the low beam and high beam light bulbs, luckily you don't have to remove the complete headlight assembly. So I will try to turn my phone upside down so you can see what I'm doing. So at the back of the headlight you have this plastic cover which is held by the metal bracket. Now if you have a big hand and can't squeeze it in, you can just remove the battery, and by removing the battery you have really lots of space to work here. But if you can squeeze it in, then you don't have to do it. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to push that metal bracket straight down. I couldn't do it with my hand, so I had to find something to have a bit more force. Okay, once you push the bracket down, this plastic cover will become loose, and then you can just pull it off the headlight. It has two clips actually, one is here and one is right here on the other side. Okay, almost here. Okay, so this is this plastic cover, and as you can see it has a gasket all around so the water and moist doesn't get in. Okay, once that cover is off, I'm gonna try to squeeze my phone in so to show you. So this big black one, this is the low beam which I have to replace. To remove it, just turn it counterclockwise, and right here this blue one is a high beam, also turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Okay. Okay, and here it is. So to remove the light bulb from the socket, you have these two clips on each side. One is here, one is on the other side, so you just have to unclip it and pull it straight out. And that's pretty much it. So it's very easy on this car to replace both the low beam and high beam light bulb. Now on the other side it's even easier. There is no battery on the way, and you have much more space to work with your hand. Like I said, if you are having hard time, just remove the battery, and then you have plenty of space to do this. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.